In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a gorgeous Easter centrepiece along with some lovely styling tips from Dobbies. So a lovely way to get in the Easter mood is to paint some eggs. This is a gorgeous little kit from Dobbies. This kit comes with all you need: some lovely coloured paints, a paintbrush and some beautiful pastel eggs. I've decided this year and every year you should add little chicks to absolutely everything you can. Another lovely thing to do is to fill pastel coloured mugs with chocolate eggs as a gift or a lovely table setting. Don't forget to hang your Easter banner. This is a gorgeous wooden one available at Dobbies. And finally, for the table centre, add some willow or some sticks to a big vase and hang painted eggs. It's a beautiful thing to finish your table setting. Have a great Easter! For more inspiration, visit the Dobbies website.